Welcome everyone, here is how you add a dynamic wallpaper to your iPhone. Depending on the software, the process will be slightly different. So first of all, let's open up the settings app. You're then going to find where it says General, and tap into General. And then from here, you just want to tap into About. So if your iOS version is 16 or newer, keep on watching. If you're running software version 15 or older, you can still follow this video, but skip about 40 seconds into the video or so, and then you'll have your instructions. So for iOS version 16 or newer, the first step is you want to go to the lock screen. Even if you want to set this on the home screen, just go to the lock screen. From here, you're going to long press on the empty space, and then you're going to slide to the left and keep on sliding until you see the plus. Tap on the plus, and from here you will see Add New Wallpaper. You're going to scroll all the way down until you see Collections. From here you're going to slide to the left, and when you see this bluish design like this, tap on this one, and when you tap into it you're going to see the dynamic wallpaper like so. You can also tap on the triple dots here, Appearance, and by default it will be set to automatic, so it will use your system theme, but you can set it to light or dark. If you slide to the left, you have all these different color options as well, and you can set a light theme or dark theme for them as well. Once you have the wallpaper you'd like, you're just going to tap on Add, and you're going to see Set as Wallpaper Pair. So with iOS 16, if you want to add a dynamic wallpaper to the home screen, it must also be set as the lock screen wallpaper, okay? There is no getting around this, unfortunately. So we're just going to tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair, and now you can see dynamic wallpaper on the lock screen and the home screen as well. Now, with iOS 15, what you need to do is first of all, you just want to open up the settings app. From here, you're going to scroll down until you see where it says wallpaper. So I scrolled right past it. You're going to see wallpaper right here. Tap on this one. You're then going to see where it says choose a new wallpaper. Tap on this. You're then going to see dynamic. Tap on the dynamic. And then select the design you'd like. It will show you a preview for all here. And then you just tap on Set. You have lock screen, home screen, and then both lock screen and home screen. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.